Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Learn Arabic, English, Arabic, and Urdu also. Class 1. Alphabets of Arabic, Urdu, and English. Alif in Arabic, Alif, ALIF, Alif. In Urdu, Alif. Same words using in Urdu alphabets. Ba, Ba. In English, Ba, Ba. And in Urdu, Be, Be. And Ta in Arabic, Ta, Ta, Ta. And in Urdu, Te, Alif, Be, Te. In Arabic, Alif, Ba, Ta. Alif, Ba, Ta.